Now, regardless of which one of those options you choose, the installation steps are going to be pretty similar. The first step is to copy the NanoServer image generator folder from the NanoServer folder on the installation media, copy that to a local drive. We're on an existing computer that is running Windows PowerShell. Okay. Then we'll use the administrative Windows PowerShell console. So right-click PowerShell, open it up as an admin, and use the import module commandlet in order to import the module that contains these various commands, and it is simply called the NanoServer image generator module. All right. Third step, create the VHD or WIM. That'll be using the new NanoServer image commandlet, and that commandlet is going to support a number of different parameters. So first is the addition. Is this based on standard or data center? The deployment type, which will be host for WIM or bootable VHD, or guest for a VHD that'll be hosted in a virtual machine. The media path, which is just the path to the root of the installation media for 2016. The base path, this is an optional switch that's only used when you're creating a WIM file. So if you're performing that step and you're creating the WIM file, then the NanoServer binaries get copied to whatever folder you specify here, and that's just so later we use a different commandlet to create the image. We can do it without specifying the media path. Target path is the path and file name, including the extension of the NanoServer image. So VHD or VHDX or WIM files. The computer name is going to be the name of the target NanoServer computer, and then the packages parameter would be used to install certain roles and features. All right, we said that you can install that when you create the image, or you can create an image that just has nothing really installed, and then you can use Windows PowerShell, the install Windows feature commandlet later in order to install roles and features. There's one more package switch, which is the OEM drivers switch. I know we mentioned that earlier. That is one that you should use to install a basic set of device drivers that are included in the standard edition installation. Now, that's really only if you're wanting to deploy it to a physical machine. So if you're not doing that, if you're deploying a virtual machine, then you can really skip that particular parameter. Okay, so those are the steps. Of course, this is going to be easier when we see it, and we will go through that process.